How to remove duplicate song from Spotify playlist. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to remove duplicate song from playlist. So in order to do this, you'll have to follow the steps. First thing first, open up the Spotify app on your PC. After which you want to go ahead and click the playlist section at the top to see all your playlist. Then you want to choose the playlist that you want to clean. Once you do that, in the playlist, click the list icon at the top right and choose compact for a simpler view without album cover, making it easier to spot the duplicate. Next, you want to click the title in the column header to sort song alphabetically, which helps find the duplicate faster as well. Now scroll through the playlist and look for a duplicate song by checking the song title, artist, and album cover as well. After which, to remove a duplicate, right click the song and then choose remove from this playlist. Now for multiple duplicate, you need to hold Control, then click each duplicate, then right click and choose remove from your playlist. Once you've finished, Spotify will automatically sync the changes across all your devices, so your playlist will be updated everywhere else you listen. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.